Hey guys, so here we are again. It's a beautiful, beautiful day, nice and sunny in Cedar Grove, and we're out to the deliveries. Of course, this beautiful lady is waiting for us. Gift is sent by her husband. Well, I hope. And here she comes. Hi Tashmin, how are you today? I have your package. As you know, I was coming, brought your package for you, and I don't know, do you shop? Do you use our service, or it's just the husband that uses it? The husband. So why you don't set up an account for yourself? You know, you look a private shopping for yourself.
He buys and sends to me.
You get that? He buys and sends to her. So no matter wherever you are in the world, you can be Europe, America, anywhere in America, set up an account, buy your stuff and ship to your loved ones here in Jamaica. And that is exactly what we've been telling him all day long. I want you to also remind him to make sure that, you know, him telling friends and family that we're good people and we want you guys to ship with us. All right? So enjoy the rest of your Sunday. All right, have a good one. So, oh, the gate don't want to lock by itself now, and them push gate, the button press one. So there you have it, guys. It's not button press. We are off on another delivery. It's a beautiful day, as I said, nice and sunny. Hope the rain don't bother start fall today and spoil it, you know. Have a good one.